Hi team, Michael here from MK's Kitchen. First off, welcome back. Some of you may be wondering why there hasn't been any content in the last 6 months. So this is what I got up to during this period. First off, diving for crays, shooting fish, getting power, busy with people's cars, and also gathering parts on the side for the GSR. So in the last episode I said I was going to strip down the engine bay and get it ready for paint. I've decided I'm going to strip down 95% of the car to its bare shell nearly, and dummy up some panel parts that I purchased for the vehicle just to make sure they line up. My last episode was a bit too long and it got boring. I'll try to keep this episode short so there's more content for the next episode. So the GSR is on the axle stands now, if you can see. So pretty much going to start stripping it. It should take a few hours. Alright, so I got my steel cap boots on, overalls and gloves and a beer. We're ready to strip the motor down. Oh, not the motor.
One hour later. 2 hours later. Tomorrow.
I just woke up, had a shower, brushed my teeth. I'm just going to make myself something to eat before we head out to the backyard and continue. So when you spend most of your paycheck on car parts, this is what your pantry will look like, and that's what we'll be eating. Okay, so I just finished eating. Let's go to the backyard and check it out. Got to close the gate, keep these dogs away. So here we have it, all the parts we removed off the vehicle. So pretty much removed everything. All the loom, bolts, screws, gone. Just got the windscreens left to do. Oh, check out that. If you'll zoom in. No, don't know how to zoom in. So here's the bolts that we removed off the vehicle. Not much to it, really. So as you can see, we pretty much went overboard and stripped everything nearly. So we won't be dumbing up any parts, otherwise it's just wasting a bit of time. I'll be water blasting the chassis soon. I just got to tidy up the backyard first, find a place to put the parts because it's going to be raining tomorrow, I'm pretty sure. Alright, as you can see, everything's tidied up now. Put all the parts away. So I gave the shell a quick brush, so it's a bit tidier now. and we've noticed a few issues that we're going to do in the next episode, which we're going to try pull this out. You can see a dent, so see how it goes. We'll fix up the firewall up here, how it's cracked, if you can see that. And real common with these cars, where it mounts the seat bolt, the seat base, they crack here. Not too sure if you can see that. They're real common on cracking. Same goes to this side here. You can kind of move it. Here we've got the water blaster ready to blast the car. So we've finished water blasting the shell now. We'll just let it dry, probably just take a day or so. But you can see all the dust is gone now, and all the dirt. So now the shell's clean now after we water blast it. Pretty much that sums it up for that for this episode. So our next episode we're gonna try straighten out those dents that we saw, and we'll weld up those cracks, and yeah.
As small as possible.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so. We'll see you on the next one.